Okay, a car is originally worth $34,450. It takes 13 years for this car to totally depreciate. The first thing I would do if I were you is I would make a graph just to get a picture of what's going on. So think of this at this point right here. If this is the car value, is our Y, and this is the age in years of the car, at year 0 the car is worth $34,450. Okay. At year 13, the value of the car is 0. So think we've got basically two ordered pairs here. We've got 0, 34,450, and here we've got 13, 0. Okay. If you look at y equals mx plus b, and we want to focus on the m right now, this is the change in value divided by the change, that's what the triangle means, change in age. So over a 13-year period, it decreases by 34,450. So if I go ahead and actually do the division, 34,450 divided by 13, I get 2,650, negative 2,650. So every year that's how much decreases in value. Okay. The B is the y-intercept. So what's the value at year 0? Well, that's 34,450. So basically my equation then is going to be y equals negative 2650x plus 34,450. That's the straight line depreciation. How long will it take for the car to be worth half of its value? Okay, so to answer B, we're going to travel down here, and Y is the value of the car at any given point in time. So what we're going to do is we're going to take half that value, 34,450, and we're going to divide it in half, 17,225. 17,225. Okay, and now we're going to set that equal to negative 2650x plus 34,450. Okay, we're going to solve for x. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract 34,450 from both sides of the equation. Let's see, if I do that over here, minus 34,450. So that gives me negative 17,225 equals negative 2650 times x. And now to find x, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by negative 2650. Divide that by negative 2650. 6.5. So x is equal to 6.5 years. And that's actually the answer that they had in the book as well. Okay? And then, how long will it take the car to be worth 10,000? So we're going to do the same process again right here. We're going to set the value of the car. Remember, our equation is y equals negative 2650 x being the number of years, plus 34,450. So now, well, say y is the value. Well, let's put that value at 10,000. So we're going to go 10,000 equals negative 2650 x plus 34,450. So we'll do the same process. Subtract 34,450 from both sides of the equation. So I've got, so going over to the calculator here, I've got 10,000 minus 34,450 gives me negative 24,450. Negative 24,450 equals negative 2650 times x. My next step would be to divide both sides of the equation by negative 2650. So let's do that. We're going to divide that by negative 2650. And you should get 9.22 years. Rounding to the nearest tenth of the year, x is approximately 9.2 years. Again, which is something that they actually said in the book as well.